Okay, so we have a Fender Stratocaster made in Japan coming in for a pro setup. Other than that, there is a few other things that need to be done. The screw holes for the pickguard itself is not straight, so I had to replug and re-drill everything back. So it screws in straight downwards. Other than that, the volume knob is a bit loose, so I tightened that up. Apart from that, it's also intonation. The client says he has some intonation problem for quite some time. Currently, even for the setting of the strings before, it was very low, so he's choking out on the highest side of the neck itself. After adjusting and all the setup work, it actually plays a bit more better. To me personally, it sounds way better than first time it came in. Other than that, the guitar is good to go. Okay, so enjoy for the rest of the video. I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, so that's all. If you need my help, you can contact me on WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. There is an update on how the guitar sounds like. Okay bro, guitar sudah ready. It feels a bit higher. It was supposed to be a bit higher than the previous spec. So I clean up everything already. The pickguard holes I plug and re-drill. Now it's flat. Then even for the screw, for the pickup screw, this one all I chamfer lah. So I don't know if you can see, it's a bit flatter now. Okay. Then other than that, the guitar is okay. Bridge pickup seems a bit thin, so yeah, the output is not so balanced. So the neck pickup is a bit stronger than the bridge pickup. Volume knob was a bit loose, so I tighten it for you and I clean up for you also. So everything's okay. Okay, good. The bridge has a bit of float, but it actually doesn't affect the tuning stability. But later you try. If you don't like it, I just tighten up the screws at the back to make it fixed bridge. So you let me know. I see you when I see you. Bye.